Hello, so I try to explain how I use my application. First of all, I've created it only for me, but I think it can be useful for other people, so that's why I've put the source code on GitHub, but for the moment I'm the only user of this small application. So the problem is that I have up to 800 subscriptions on my main account. I have two accounts. I have a video account here and a music account I use with YouTube Music. So this one, 800 subscriptions, almost 10,000 likes or dislikes. And for music, around 200 subscriptions and 5,000 dislikes. So I know that the way I use YouTube is a bit specific. I mostly do not go to trending or home. Sometimes once a month I go to those tabs just to check if there are new channels I can be interested in. But I mostly only work with subscriptions or recommendations from those subscriptions. Also, sometimes the main problem I have is that I subscribe to a channel. There is all videos or all music from the artist I want to listen or to see. So it's hard to keep up and uh, to to remember which video, which music I saw or I heard. So that's why I've created this application mainly to sort this out because 800 subscriptions is a lot. So of course the subscriptions, there's a lot of only supportive subscriptions, so I'm not really interested in the channels. But on the other side, there's some channels I really want to watch in the whole history, even whole videos, whole music from many years ago. So here's the it's a very simple script. It's a single page script I've created with a small database. So you see it's just not less than 1,000 uh, line of codes. So it's very short. It's a bit complementary to YouTube. In fact, I just want to have some features there, just not on YouTube. That's all. So I list my subscriptions here. And what the first thing I do here, I can do in YouTube, is to sort them. So uh, I think I will also group them by type, my kind of type, like humor channel, education channels, things like that. But for the moment, I just sort them, and also I put a status here is like I want to check videos from them or not. So in reality, you see there's not so much like less than 100 channels I really check. So here, yeah, I use JavaScript to sort them like this. I can drag things, and after that I can save the order here. I can check and check manually, etc. I can. I think you know that data tables. So this is more like reading operations, and this is requested from a local database, which is a kind of mirror of the YouTube, very simple mirror of the YouTube database of my subscriptions. I have the same with my playlists, so I will use it. I will explain why I also list my playlist. Also, same thing here. I order them by most used playlist. So you can see here there's some watch later playlist, and I mainly worked with this. My how to say my cycle is like I get videos, new videos from the subscriptions I really like. I put them in playlists, mainly in Prime, which is my really main playlist here. I mostly put short videos like less than 15-20 minutes. in this one. Otherwise, I put in this second one. This second one, it really depends on my rhythm. Sometimes I do not watch it for 6 months, and sometimes I watch it during hours every day. So I kind of build a backlog of videos I can watch for later. And also of course, I sort them manually in the playlist most of the time. And there are some playlists dedicated to specific creators who post a lot of videos because they are also streaming things like that. Okay, so this is for the playlist, and this is the list of the videos. I will say this is the main view of the application. I will come to it later. So it takes times to initialize because it's quick and dirty. So yeah, I think I can optimize this. So you see, I've put filters like only show me videos less than 15 minutes. Also, I filter on priorities like the order I've created here on the subscriptions and the date of publication, for instance. Now for the moment, you see it was empty, and now if I put only 2020, there's still 47 videos I really want to see. There's also some videos from friends I want to see, small videos. And so with the filters, I can create my own priority, which is I can sort here for duration, for channel priority, and date of publications, etc. So after that, there's the update part. So update subscriptions. If I subscribe to new channels, it will update it. So for the videos, I do not. I think I make like 2 subscriptions a week maybe, but for music right now, since I'm using this tool now, it's getting quite fast. Like maybe 10 new subscriptions each week from artists I forgot about. And since I'm also using playlists from other people, I see some artists I forgot. Oh yes, this artist I like, so I add the subscription to all those artists. So it's growing now for music. So here you see it's loading here. So updated subscriptions. I can update my playlist, but I did not change a lot of things in it. So those two views or those two updates are not spending a lot of quota, so it's okay. Playlist details is also read only, so it's not spending too much quota either. It's just checking if I've added videos to my playlists, so it does not show them anymore in the videos. In the videos here, the videos view is only the videos I did not put in a playlist, in one of my playlists, or I did not put a rating on. So the way I work is like I check the videos, I add them to my watch later playlists. When I watch them, I always put a rating, thumb up or thumb down, but that's why I have up to 10,000 ratings. I always rate videos. Same for the music. Uh, so it's either it's in the watch later playlist, either it's rated. So I consider a video or music rated as finished. Okay, now it's I don't need to see it again, or I can put some of them in to my playlist, like the video I really appreciated. I put it in some playlist I can watch again later. Okay, so here I updated the videos into playlists. Here it's a bit specific. I don't know if it's a bug from the API, but how to say, YouTube Music, there's some yeah, like that. Some music I can't listen on YouTube Music, but I can watch them on YouTube. I don't know exactly why. I suppose it's due to rights, copyright things. And with my YouTube music account, it is not detected that this track is in this playlist, for instance. So I have to update this playlist, which is my watch later, my listen later for music for my music account here, and I have to update it with my main account, my YouTube account, not my YouTube music account. So sometimes I update once a day, I would say, specifically only three playlists, which is Watch Later electronic dance music, Watch Later Misc, which is all the other kind of music, and also blocked. This playlist is the list of all the blocked music on YouTube Music for the moment, and sometimes it's unblocked, so it's also useful to update this one so I can see if there's some music. For instance, this one I can listen now, etc. Here, update videos is updating the videos from my subscriptions. So only the one I've put in active, not the, so only 100 of them. And by default, I only check the 50 last videos from a channel. And also I checked the last time I've I've checked the videos from a channel, and I consider their upload like one video for one day. So by default it's 50 videos, but if I've checked yesterday, I will only check the last one video from this channel. So, but it's not really optimized. But this one is not also not taking so much quota because it's still only reading. Video details is for all the videos which are not in a playlist or not rated. It will check if now I've added them in a playlist or in no, sorry, this one is only it update videos also check if for the video I did not rate it yet, if now I've rated them or if I've added them in a playlist, because when I add them from the video tab in a playlist I will show after. In fact, I only update my local database and I do not synchronize the fact that I've added them to playlists in my local database and in the on the website. So you see here this 15. I know there's 15 new videos added to my video list because the duration is like only for videos that were not previously in the database in my database, and this this was for detail. Detail is updating the ratings and the duration of the videos. So now I've updated everything, so I get back to my main view. So usually with all these actions, I do not spend so much. I think I spend less than 500 quota out of 10,000. So here I put again 2021. So here, for today, I have 4 videos, less than 15 minutes, only for the main subscriptions I'm interested in. What I do is usually is to check all, and here you see there's all my playlists sorted. I sorted them, so um, I add them to my main playlist Prime. So this is a writing operation because it's adding them to my playlist on YouTube. So this is spending quota. But for videos, most of the time I add like maybe 5, 10, 20 videos a day. So this is not spending so much quota. Or I have also this view with the longer videos. Oh, it's the same. I just use different set of cookies for the filters because I have to save the filters in rules, predefined rules. But for the moment I do it manually. So here are just 3 videos. Oh, a video on the YouTube algorithm for completist conspirationist videos. So this is interesting, even if it's more than 20 minutes. I will put more than 15 either. So here, okay, more than 15. I'm checking. Okay. So here, for instance, there are 22 videos. I will check all, but I will not. So you see, I can create my own set of videos I will watch later for today or for the next days. Cyrus North, no. Maybe this one is interesting because it's about YouTube. Or later, this one I will check it later. So you see here, there's also some old videos. So I don't care. I'm just interested by those channels. So sometimes I also want to see all videos. But for the moment, I will not. This one, this one, this. Yes, and I think everything, not those, because those are specific. Okay, so I add those. So like I've added like 20 videos for today. And most of the time, if I do not have time to watch this, for instance, there's already 100 videos to watch in this my main playlist. If I don't have time, usually I sort by length, and I've put longer videos in my second playlist. So it's like it can be like a to-do list, like you move, elements from column to column. But even this one, even if it's more than 35 minutes, I'm really interested by this channel, so I will watch it sooner or later. If I have the 35 minutes, I will watch it. But for the moment, I added some videos from this channel. For instance, Juice. It's like 30 videos, so that's why my playlist is growing fast for the moment. Usually there's less than 100 videos in it. Okay, I think it's updated now. Yeah. So here for the video. Now for the music, exactly the same. I will update subscriptions because I've subscribed to 5 channels, I think, yesterday or today. Playlist, I think it's up to date. I will update playlist details because I've rated a lot of videos here already in my main listen later playlists. This I can close this. So usually what I do is to go to this main playlist here. I do not have a lot of choice now. Every video I've rated, I remove them manually. To get a bit faster, I just use a style to have shorter menus here. So I remove them manually. So I know I can delete with the also with the API, but since I'm already spending too much quota, I do not want to spend quota just to delete elements. I can do it manually. Usually I do it by watching something else on the side. So here, okay, update videos. Yeah, for the moment I just put a message here, but I have to also to check if the playlist have been deleted, because sometimes I merge or delete some playlists. Same for videos. Sometimes some videos are in my database, and of course they have been deleted from on YouTube, so I have to check this case. But it's a very simple script, so I'm just reporting here the information. So it is with the music I spend all my quota, because I usually add like the maximum music I can add to my listen later playlist, which is around 150 music, which is not so much, because when I listen to the music on my tablet, I keep the screen on. I listen to the music, I skip on the music, and if I like it, of course I put a like. If I don't like, I dislike. So it can be very fast. 150 track can be very fast rated, and most of them I like or dislike. And if I really like, I also add it to one of my playlists. This is how I work with the music here on YouTube Music. So 150 for one day. It's getting very fast, so that's why I spend all my quota every day. So right now there's just 227 tracks, but you see yesterday I've already checked a lot of them. There's also some of them which I can't listen now, so I will add them to the blocked playlist for the moment, so I can check them later maybe, or check them for the moment. I live in Thailand, so maybe when I will go back to France, they will be unlocked in France, or I don't know. Anyway, I keep an eye on them. So I think already there's only 100 track to listen now in this playlist. Oh, this is not. This one is not happening. It's the first time I have this one. The demo effect. Gazelle could not resolve host. What? Am I connected to internet? Maybe my internet connection is down. Wow. No. What's going on? Okay, I think it's a bug. I will refresh. Strange. First time I have this. Yeah, I think it. Oh, let me check something. No, no, I haven't been disconnected. That's strange. Could not resolve. Hmm. I don't think it will happen again. So yeah, I did not write any tests, unit test or anything. I did not create any class, anything. So it's really a quicken.c script. That's why just some kind of. Normally it's going quite fast on this one. Or maybe I've already spent all my quota because I've added some music during the night. So maybe it is due to over quota. I don't think, because over quota would warn me already. I think. No, no. So yeah, this is taking some time. Yeah, okay. Duration. So only 6 new tracks for the moment from my subscriptions. So it's exactly the same views, huh? Only the account is different. So I authenticate with OAuth. So here almost the same process. I've sorted my subscriptions. Here's my main playlist. Listen later electronic dance music. Listen later MISC. I mainly only add to those two. You see here there's almost 1000 track to add. So that's why there's a lot of tracks to add to my playlist. And I could also maybe create, I don't know, an integrated player in here and just listen to the music from this kind of playlist, because this is a kind of playlist. It's a list of what I want to listen here. So I could maybe listen music directly from my application. That could be a solution. But since I use my tablet, I like to use YouTube Music uh, from my tablet. So that's why also, if I want to apply rating, maybe it's easier on YouTube Music instead of integrating a player here. I don't think I can rate music from an integrated player. So that's why I'm using YouTube Music, and I'm adding music to my playlists. Also, my playlists are public, so some people can maybe, you know, find my playlist and check it from time to time, since I've updated every day. So, for instance, sometimes I'm checking just to be sure that it's not already in a playlist, or not already rated, or not blocked. Normally, no. Everything is updated. Okay. So this is okay. So usually I add the first 3 pages of 50 elements. This is the quota I can use every day. So for instance, yeah, I would check those. Also there's a bug here, I have to uncheck and recheck, but if I go here, it's still checked on the other page. So yeah, I checked 3 pages. If I show 200, I have 150 elements checked here and 50 elements not checked. And I add them, same, I add them to my main playlist here, and I will spend all my quota here, just because every video, every music I add to my playlist is using, I think it's 50. So yeah, uh, it's already 7,050, and since my limit is 10,000, if I add yeah, if I add 50 more, I will I will go over the quota. So maybe I can add like 30 more, but not 50 more. So usually I stop to 150 to prevent over quota. So here it is. I think I've shown everything, how it works, how I use it, why I use it like that, and why I need more quota, because I can't add a lot of tracks. So thank you for watching, and I hope that everything is clear enough. Thank you.